let me introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell about sampling techniques in the accounting context. Okay, let's go! First material is sampling technique in the accounting context. In accounting research, sampling techniques play a crucial role in determining the validity and reliability of research or audit results. In general, sampling is a method used to select a small portion of a large population with the aim of obtaining conclusion that can be generalized to the entire population. Sampling techniques in an accounting context, such as financial auditing, report analysis, or behavioral research, are used to assess the authority and accuracy of financial statements, as well as identify potential risks and problem area in a company financial management. The importance of sampling technique lies in their ability to maximize efficiency in processing data while maintaining the accuracy of the result obtained. Next material is the following is a more detailed explanation of some sampling technique in accounting context. Nah, one is simple random sampling. Simple random sampling is a basic technique in which each element of the population has an equal chance of being selected. In accounting research, auditors often use this method to randomly select transaction or financial record with the aim of avoiding bias in sample selection. Number 2, systematic sampling. Systematic sampling technique involves selecting sample element at fixed interval from the population. In an accounting context, this technique is also useful when data is sorted, such as a list of payroll or product sales, but auditor must be careful of patterns or regularities in the data that might interfere with the accuracy of the result. Number 3, stratified sampling. A sampling technique that is often used in accounting research because it can provide more representative and accurate results. This technique involves grouping the population into several homogeneous strata or subgroup based on certain characteristics such as company size, transaction type, industry sector, or asset and liability category. 4. Cluster sampling. This technique involves dividing the population into heterogeneous group or cluster where each cluster has similar characteristics to the population as a whole. From this cluster, the auditor or researcher then randomly selected one or more cluster to analyze thoroughly. In an accounting context, this technique can be used when the auditor wants to examine rival department branch of a large company where each branch is considered representative of the entire company population. 5. Judgmental sampling. A sampling technique that relies heavily on the expertise and professional judgment of the auditor or researcher. In an accounting context, the researcher or auditor selected a sample that is considered most representative of the population based on experience and intuition. Rather than simply random, this technique is often used in situations where the auditor has specialized knowledge of the company or transaction that requires more attention, or when the population of data is too large to test thoroughly. 6. Risk-based sampling, an approach that focuses on selecting a sample based on area or element that are considered to have a high risk for error, irregularity, or fraud in the financial statement. This technique is particularly relevant in an accounting context where risk associated with financial statement can influence business decisions, attract the attention of regulator, or have a significant impact on a company regulation. 7. Non-probability sampling, a sampling technique that does not provide equal opportunities for each element in the population to be selected. In this method, sample selection is based on certain criteria determined by the researcher or auditor, rather than randomly. This makes non-probability sampling more flexible and often easier to implement, especially when the population is difficult to reach or when time the research are limited. Okay, that was explanation of sampling technique in the accounting context. Hopefully useful, and see you.